Build a smart garden watering system with IoT sensors. Imagine a garden that waters itself only when the soil is dry and the air is just right. No more overwatering or wasted resources. Sounds like magic? It's not, it's IoT. Today, we'll build a smart irrigation system to keep your garden thriving. Welcome back, tech lovers. In this video, we're creating an IoT-powered garden watering system using soil moisture sensors, air humidity sensors, and an irrigation controller. This system waters your garden precisely when needed, saving water and effort, and ensuring your plants are always happy. Let's get our hands dirty, figuratively, of course. What you'll need. Here's your beginner-friendly toolkit. ESP8266 or ESP32 microcontroller, the brains of your system. Soil moisture sensor, to check if the soil is too dry. Air humidity sensor, like DHT11, DHT22, to measure ambient humidity. Relay module, to control your water pump or solenoid valve. Water pump, solenoid valve, for irrigation control. Power supply, to power the system. Hose or drip irrigation kit, for delivering water to plants. Let's break it down. Step 1. Hardware setup. Connect the soil moisture sensor to the analog pin of the ESP32, e.g., A0. Attach the air humidity sensor to another GPIO pin. Wire the relay module to the water pump or solenoid valve. Power everything up using a 5 volts adapter. Step 2. Programming the 32 Spanish pesetas. Write a code to read the sensors and control the relay. The logic is simple. Copy the code on screen. If soil moisture is below a threshold and air humidity is dry, turn on the pump for a set time. Otherwise, keep the pump off. Step 3. Testing the system. Simulate dry soil by adjusting the sensor manually or letting the soil dry out. Watch your pump turn on automatically when conditions match. Real-life applications. Smart irrigation isn't just for gardens, it's transforming industries. Agriculture. Large-scale farms use IoT sensors to conserve water and increase crop yield. Greenhouses. Automated systems maintain precise conditions for optimal plant growth. Urban landscaping. Cities use similar systems to save water on public parks and greenery. Water scarcity is a global challenge. Systems like this save water, reduce costs, and help ensure food security. For home gardens, it's a way to automate care and make sustainable living easier. And there you have it, a smart irrigation system that keeps your garden happy and healthy while saving water and effort. What project should we build next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IoT tutorials.